Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, my name is Siska Febriani from grade 4B PAI study program. I will present about education in the midst of a pandemic. Please watch and learning. In mid-November 2019, the coronavirus or this new virus appeared in China. Settled in the Wuhan area, the coronavirus has spread widely throughout the world from one country to another. Pandemic. This virus spreads rapidly by spreading from infected humans to other humans by spreading through the air, so that this virus is easy to spread and easily enters the human body. In Indonesia, the coronavirus first appeared in mid-February 2020 in the Depok area, with two women being infected with the virus after having contact with a Japanese citizen who lived in Malaysia who previously met in Indonesia. Until now, the coronavirus has spread widely in Indonesia, launching the COVID-19. With the coronavirus, the Indonesian state itself is very difficult to handle this virus. Even though the Indonesian government has handled corona cases optimally, both in terms of health and in terms of politics, social distancing, so that the coronavirus does not spread widely in Indonesia. However, when we look at the data above, cases exposed to the coronavirus are increasing day by day, so it is rather difficult to immediately eliminate this virus. When the coronavirus is getting more and more cases, we can see its impact in the economic, social, political, and even in the field of education. The impact of the coronavirus in the field of education is very negative because Indonesian people, especially students from kindergarten, elementary, junior high school, and even college level, are forced to study at home or often referred to online. When I see education is the midst of the coronavirus, the Indonesian state is still not ready to carry out education properly. There are still many Indonesian people, especially students who cannot learn online because of the cell phone and internet factor, which are very difficult to obtain, especially when we talk about students living in village or remote areas of this country. We all know that in remote village it's difficult to get an internet network because of an inadequate signal. The negative side of online education itself will not find an emotional approach education directly with the teacher because student and teacher do not meet face to face, even when kindergarten and elementary school children as young generation who would get a good lesson from beginning to end. Instead, now on the contrary, they cannot learn well because the education system implemented in the midst of the coronavirus must be online. So, when the education system in Indonesia must continue to be run online, it will have an impact on the psychology of children, especially kindergarten and elementary school students, because they don't receive ethical and moral education for their teacher directly. Okay, finally, that's all about my presentation. Thank you very much. Thanks for watch and learning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.